Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to No One Place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be covering 3 potential altcoins to buy here as the market continues to trade sideways actually. We've been bouncing back and forth, kind of like a kangaroo type situation. Right now, the market is down about almost 1%, down about 0.92%. We see our top gainer in the past 24 hours is going to be Radical, which is currently up about 55.98%. Let's actually open it up real quick and check out the chart to see how everything is looking. So here in the past week or so, we're seeing this nice little move here from about $2 all the way up to over $3.50 right now, up over 82%. So nice move right there on Radical. So there's always opportunities out there. Even in a downward market, something is going to go up, and you just have to be there to find it, I guess you could say. So currently, Bitcoin down about 0.8%, doing very well. Market cap 565.8 billion. Volume is at 27.6 billion and is currently trading right under the 30,000 area. Then we have Ethereum trading at around 1950, and Ethereum is currently actually down 2.5%, so underperforming here compared to Bitcoin. Currently at a 235.4 billion market cap, 13.4 billion in volume. And altcoins are pretty much following the same path, down about 1 to 3% depending on which one we're looking at. And we have some outliers here that are actually in the green about 4%, and obviously some that are actually down even heavier, 4 or 5%. Ethereum Classic down 7%. So situations like this, we're going to see a lot of fluctuation in the market. So things are going to either fly up very quickly or fly down very quickly, or sink, I guess, very quickly. You just have to, be on the right end of that situation. We've seen that in the stock market as well, where the Nasdaq will have a 3% green day and everything is booming, 5-10%, and then literally 2 days later, we're going to see another, 4% down on the Nasdaq, and things are down 10-15%, and we go to new all-time lows. So that's exactly what's happening here as well. So guys, before we get into this content, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 50 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video, and as always, leave a comment below letting me know if you're buying any cryptocurrencies right now. So first of all, let's take a quick look at the crypto bubbles before we get into the countdown. We have some winners here. So one of the biggest winners is going to be ANKR Protocol, which is currently up 226% in the past week. Nice gains right there. We're seeing a lot of winners here. One of them is going to be Radical, which we just talked about at the beginning of the video, but we have many other winners as well. So we have Mirror Protocol up over 60.7%. We have some other big winners here, like we see Burger. So Burger Swap is up over 67.9%, and many other coins are up 25-30% as well, as you guys can see, including Phantom. So Phantom is up over 27%. And we saw those soccer clubs, boom last week, and now they're kind of cooling down here. We see Roma, we see PSG, and AC Milan, and some of the other ones are taking a little bit of a breather. But we do see some red as well here, so it's a mixture, but a little bit more green compared to the red, which is a positive sign, obviously. But that could change literally with the flip of a switch. So that's how the crypto bubbles are performing. Now let's get into the countdown, guys. So the first altcoin that we're going to be talking about on this video is going to be the Sandbox, also known as Sand. So obviously one of the metaverse plays, and the metaverse coins have been hammered in recent times, and we're seeing a little bit of a breather right here. Nice little move of 13% here in the past 24 hours. Currently trading at around $1.46. So nice move. In the past week, obviously, we're up about 27%. Very nice there. In the past month, we're down over 46%, hitting lows at one point of 97 cents. So if you would have bought in at 97 cents, you would actually be up over 50% right now in the past 2 weeks on this coin. In the past year, this one is still up 294%, but we're very, very far away from that $7.50 range where we were trading at all-time highs in November, right around Thanksgiving. Everything started to go downhill after Thanksgiving. And then we had a little pump here right around Christmas time. So around the holidays were nice to see. And then everything just started to, tumble back down all the way down to the, earth. So we see currently market cap is at 1.7 billion. Volume is up about 70.9% at around 564.4 million. Like we said, all-time high at around $8, $8.50 range. The Sandbox, if you guys aren't familiar with it, is the Ethereum token that powers the Sandbox, a multiplayer metaverse where players can create, monetize, and participate in blockchain-based game experiences. Now, in the Sandbox game, designers can create custom 3D NFTs that can be used across the ecosystem. Now, Sandbox can be used to buy and sell NFTs and other in-game items, and also, be used to vote on the future of the platform as well. So The Sandbox was getting a lot of hype here pretty much from the beginning of October all the way to about November, December time period. Made some huge booms, close to about a 10x opportunity right there, 1000% return, and then everything started to come back down. So we're still actually up about, let's just say, around a little bit over 60% from that area in October, which is good if you would have bought in at that time period. But most people, bought at the top, and now they're, having this big pullback. So people are hoping that things come back up in the future, and I obviously think that it will, especially when the metaverse continues to get more attention in the future once again, and we have another bullish type rally. We go through these cycles, after year after year, the same cycles happen. We have a bull market, things cool off. We see a little bit of a bear market, things come back down, new coins come out, new players come out there and take over the space, I guess you could say. So the Sandbox, though I think it's a coin that it could definitely be an opportunity for the future, yes, I approve that one for sure. So the Sandbox, number one on this list. Number two on the list is going to be Enjin. So Enjin, another metaverse type situation here, currently up about 2.5% in the past 24 hours, trading at 70 cents. In the past week, this one's up 11%. Past month, we're down 49%, with lows down here at 46 cents. Incredible opportunity once again. 1 year chart, we're down 64% from those highs that we saw in November once again, close to that $5 range, just like everything else. Everything else was peaking up there, and then we just saw a tumble now for the past 6 months or so. Market cap currently at 604.3 million. Volume is flat at 77.2 million. 67-day typical hold time on Enjin, 60% buy, 40% sell activity. It is ranked the number 45 coin. Now, Enjin is an Ethereum token that aims to make it easy for individuals, businesses, and brands to use non-fungible tokens. ENJ is used to directly back the value of NFTs minted within the Enjin ecosystem. So if you guys want to go look into more of what Enjin is, you guys can actually come here on the website and see. You can see their history, how are they created, how many Enjin coins are there, and how to buy the coins, obviously, and different things that if you want to find out, you can come on Coinbase here and check that out as well. But Enjin definitely has been hammered. We have 600% plus opportunity just to get back to those all-time high areas. So there's a lot of potential in the next rally that we see Enjin start to move. So only at a 600 million market cap right now. That is very, very low compared to some of these other coins that we've been seeing in the market. So Enjin is definitely an opportunity for me, in my opinion. So that's going to be our second coin. And then last but not least, number three on this list is going to be Tezos. So XTZ. Tezos right here. Currently, it is up about 6%, trading at $2.21. In the past week, this one is up 36%, making a nice little rally right there. Very nice. In the past month, we're down 25% at lows of 139. But from that 139 level, we're up about 90 cents, which is actually about 60% or so profit from the low. And then on the 1 month or 1 year chart, we're down about 44% from highs of about $9. So from $9, we took a deep dive here since October time period. So this one actually started to downtrend a little bit earlier compared to the rest of the market. So that is interesting to see. Market cap currently at 1.9 billion, almost at 2 billion. Volume is down about half, 50%, so half of what we usually get at 98 million. 85-day typical hold time is ranked the number 27 coin. 61% buy, 39% sell activity. Tezos is a cryptocurrency and decentralized computing platform. Its features include proof of stake consensus, formal verification, and the ability to let stakeholders vote on the changes to the protocol. Now, Tezos block creation process is called baking. Tezos holders can stake their tokens, can receive Tezos tokens as a reward as well for creating and verifying the blocking. So this one, once again, another opportunity. We have about, let's just say, about a 300% opportunity, 300% upside potential to get back to those all-time high levels. So Tezos is going to be our third altcoin on this list that could be potential buy for the future type situation, but that's something that you're going to have to make a decision on. So guys, those are the three altcoins. Now we're going to cover the rest of the market space and see how the main dogs are doing, like Bitcoin and Ethereum. But before we do that, let's take a quick look at Dogecoin. Wow, Dogecoin, guys, is getting hammered here. If we just take a look from a year ago, I mean, it just continues to go down. Right now we're trading at 8 cents, guys. So Dogecoin millionaire, that guy, well, he used to be a millionaire, but he should have sold at the top. Like everybody was telling him, sell Dogecoin. He didn't listen, and now he's pretty much lost all of his money that he made. He could have been set off, for the rest of his life. He could have been rich and retired already, but instead he decided to hold his Dogecoin, and now he's pretty much bankrupt, I guess you could say. He's lost everything almost, so he's only up a little bit, which is not good for him. Now, let's take a look at Ethereum, guys. So Ethereum here trading at 1941, down about 1.5%. In the past week, we're trading flat, only up about 2%. Past month, we're down 35% with those 1,700 lows. In the past year, Ethereum is down 32%. We see currently 235.1 billion market cap, 15% of crypto market space. Volume is flat, 92-day typical hold time. So people are still hodling, guys. People are hodling those coins and they're not letting them go. 71% buy, 29% sell activity on Ethereum. Bitcoin here trading flat in the past 24 hours, up 3.5% in the past week. Past month, we're down 26% from lows of 25,000. And then on the 1-year chart, we're down about 24%. So actually, if we compare that to Ethereum, Bitcoin is once again outperforming. It's saying, I'm the big dog, guys. Bitcoin is number one, obviously. So 562.8 billion market cap, 36% of the crypto market space right now. That is 1/3 of the market space basically right there, all in Ethereum. 76% buy activity, 24% sell activity, 120-day typical hold time. That means people are holding Bitcoin and a lot of Bitcoin is being held, guys. People are not selling. A lot of people are actually buying more, collecting, adding to their, stockpile, which is a positive sign because maybe eventually we'll have that supply demand type situation where people will not want to sell and people will want to buy, and prices are just going to continue to rocket on higher and higher, which is going to be an interesting situation that we could see in the years to come. But that's something that we might see in the future, maybe 5, 10, 15, or 20 years out in the future. So definitely interesting. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think is going to be happening here at the end of May going into beginning of June? We're almost here at the end of Q2 going into Q3. So it's going to be interesting to see how the second half of the year is going to perform. The beginning, I guess the first half of the year has been horrible. Hopefully we can see a little bit of a rally in the end of the year and things come back around. So guys, let me know in the comments below. Smash that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification to get notified every time we can do a new video. And as always, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor and do your own due diligence before investing. I hope you guys enjoyed and hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.